Hi everyone, today I have some Chetan Bhagat books for you. I think there is no need of introducing Chetan as he is one of the most celebrated authors in India. He has a very unique style of writing and he writes very simple novel that can be read by youngsters as well as teenagers. He mostly writes about the young urban middle class people. And I started reading his book when I was 17 or 18, that is in my late teenage period. I was a very big fan of him in those days and I loved reading his book. But later on I lost interest in reading his book. But I wish to read his latest book, One Arranged Murder, and I hope I'll do a review about it after reading it. Even though Chetan Bhagat is having a very huge fan base in India, he is one of those who face a lot of criticism. Not only constructive criticism but also some hate comments too. Uh, yes, he is having some haters too. So let's move on to the video. So the first book is The Three Mistakes of My Life. This is the third book of Chetan and this book is actually made into a Bollywood movie named Kai Poche starring the late actor Sushant Singh Rajput. And this book is about three friends, their friendship, their love and passion for cricket, their interest in business, and it is so interesting to read this book. Actually, this book is based on some real life events, and this book also discusses some of the political scenarios which even exist today. Mainly, it also explains the Gujarat riot and all. And I think this is one of the best books of Chetan Bhagat and you all can read this book. It's a very good book to read, especially the cricket part is very good. Their friendship part is very good. And I loved reading this book. So the next book is Two States. Actually, this book narrates the story of two young Indians from different states having different cultural background and different ethnicity, but they love each other and they wanted to get married. And this book explains the struggles and difficulties they faced to convince their parents for their marriage. And I know it is not even acceptable in these days to get married to a man or woman from different state or a different religion or caste. So it makes it difficult for everyone to convince their parents for that. So it is explained very well in this book, and this book says that rest of the world except India, if a man loves a girl and the girl loves that boy, they get married. So that is very well said in this book, and I can personally relate to this book because I married a man from same faith but having different ethnicity. It's a very entertaining book and you all will love this book. So the next step is Revolution 2020. This book is again the story of three friends, two boys and one girl. These two boys are so intelligent and one boy wants to use his intelligence for making more money and the second one wants to use his intelligence to start a revolution. The interesting fact is that these two boys love the same girl, and the love triangle in this book is quite interesting and very good to read. And this book is one of the very successful book of Chetan because this book understood the pulse of the country in that time when it was released. I think it was in 2011, and it was the time when people were fed up of the corruption and all those things happening in our country, and this book understood that things very well and explained very well. And this book also explains how this coaching institute are exploiting the students by charging more fees and giving them false dreams and promises. So this is a very good book for a read in my opinion, but opinions are different for everyone. Some of my friends felt it too boring, but I felt it interesting. So it's up to you. I'll recommend this book for everyone. If you are interested, you can read. Next book is The Girl in Room 105. Actually, this book is different from other books of Chetan. This is more like a crime thriller, and this book is about the story of two people. There is one Hindu guy falls in love with a Muslim girl They love each other and they wanted to marry, but their parents don't accept their relation, and so they break up. And one fine day, this girl calls this boy to a room, and that is this room 105. When he arrives there, he finds her dead there. So this book is about finding the mystery behind her death. So this is a very interesting book to read, as it is a crime thriller. It is very interesting to read, and I felt it so good about reading this book. Last and the final book. Actually, this book is not a recommendation at all. The Half Girlfriend. Because I don't really like this book. That's why I won't suggest this book to anyone. This book is about the linguistic struggles of a Bihari guy. He's actually a prince from Bihar, but being a prince in a democratic country means nothing. And he has some trouble in English communication, and he meets a girl who is very good at English in his new college, and they become friends, and they both are basketball players. He wants that girl to become his girlfriend, and it goes on like that. But actually it's not good, because we are trying to make it clear that if someone say no, it's no, and we have to accept that they are not interested in us. But in this book, I don't know how many times this girl has to say no to this guy, and he never understands that she is not interested in him. And he tries again and again, and finally she has to coin a separate name for their relationship, that is half girlfriend. And it clearly makes sense that she is not interested, and she never wants to become his full girlfriend. And some of the dialogues, sentences in this book are very misogynistic, and they are so much objectifying women. So I don't really think it's good for a society and teenagers, especially the teenagers, to learn these things from this book. I don't want these teenage kids to think that it's too heroic to act like that in a misogynistic way. I don't want to put those things in their head. So I won't recommend this book to any of the teenagers, and rest of the people can read this for an entertainment. But I don't really recommend this book. And one more thing, this is completely my opinion, and you may be a very big fan of Chetan, and you may love this book as well. So don't get offended by this. This is my opinion, but I'll stick to my opinion that I don't want the teenage kids to read this book. That's all for today. I hope you all love this, and I'll be coming up with another set of book in the next video. Keep reading, keep watching. See you again in another video. Bye.